Marine. I work under the name Hello Marine. I went to Plymouth College of Art about 20 years ago to do a foundation course. I was looking at what I could do creatively after coming from France. I remember going to an open day at Plymouth College of Art and being quite taken by the facilities and the building and the vibrant kind of creative community there. So I decided to build up a portfolio and apply for a foundation course. What I really enjoyed there was a crossover within the discipline and how you were encouraged to not just do what you were there to study, but to also collaborate with other disciplines. So yeah, I tried different things. I did printing, I did a bit of jewelry, even stuff like that. So it was really broadened my kind of creative horizons in that way. Collaborate, get the work out there. Seems obvious, but all those things kind of to show that you're proactive. Lots of people seem to be hesitant. It's quite hard to, put yourself out there. Being creative is quite personal often, so there's always a bit of a, oh, what's going to happen, if I show my work.